Morning guys, hope you're keeping well. I know lots of you have been asking what's happening with the Range Rover, so we'll give a little bit more video today. As you can see, we've already started this morning and really got into peeling that roof back, so I can tell you now that all of the roof all around is detached completely along both sides, and we've just got the back section to remove now inside where the tailgate should be. So let's get on. Okay, this is the rear of the roof, guys. This is quite heavily welded or brazed back here. It's difficult to know where to do the cutting. So I mean, I'll just show you. You can see that's still attached. It's still attached here, somewhere here. So I would suggest when you do your cutting of the old roof, you take it quite high. Take it quite high and around. Mine was a little low, I think, which is good because this is the old roof, of course, and I can get the new roof off much better because I know exactly where to cut now. So there we go. There we go, guys. We are now free on that corner. You can see here there is a spot weld just there, still to crack. I can tell you now, the spot welds on this car on the roof are bloody amazing. They're you think you've drilled them out, and obviously the area of fusing is a lot larger than you think, even when you drill the centres out and make the hole rather large. The fusing is really quite a wide area. Right, let's get on. Right, quickly show you this, guys. Now we cracked that spot weld. There we go. And that piece of metal is moving, so we need to figure out whether that forms part of the new roof or whether it's part of the structure. So that's something to look out for, guys. Time to celebrate, guys. The roof is off. Look, we have a lift off. We have a lift off. Just before we end this part of the video, I'm going to get the roof off in a second. After a cup of tea, of course. Yeah, some of you may wonder why all these holes are. The angle grinder decided to give up on me after a bit of hard work, so I've got to get myself a new one. So I resorted to a bit of old-fashioned drilling and chiseling, which was easy enough, to be fair. Right, cup of tea time, and then lift this roof off. Yeah, I just noticed, guys, the new roof has got or did have a roof antenna on it by the looks of it. A bit rusty on the inside. Unfortunately, the old roof hasn't got one. So we're going to have a think about what we're going to do with there, whether we're going to put an antenna on it or fill it over. I'll see if I can find an antenna, I think. Okay, I'll show you this, guys. So when you take this roof skin off, it also leaves on, as part of the structure, this strip, and that is spot welded. There's one there. That is spot welded to the structure, so that's going to have to stay, and hopefully when we take the next skin off, that will stay on the structure of that roof as well. So we will need to clean all this up, ready for our sealant. And look in here, there's a fair bit of sealant on these back rails. I have to say the skin came off these quite easy, and looking at it, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, it looks quite aerated, so I don't think it grips all that well to the skin anyway. In fact, you can see there, it's come off really easy. Doesn't even look like it's stuck. Got a bit of dent there to attend to on the structure. That's easily done. Yeah, cool. Bit of preparation there. And we need to get cracking with removing the next roof skin. Not sure I like this panoramic style. Definitely need a new skin on there. Well, some said it wasn't possible. So I think we proved that part wrong. We just need to completely prove the theory wrong now by fitting the next skin. I need to sort out here as well what we're going to do here. I'm going to have to that piece there has got to get back on the other side. It needs to be welded back in. We'll weld that up. See how the next skin falls onto it. We'll need to straighten all this up as well, where we've had to manipulate it to get the skin off. I'll show you the front, the repair we've got to do up there. It doesn't actually look so bad now the skin's off. I think most of the damage was actually on the skin rather than the structure itself, but it's just there. I'll pop over and show you. Okay, so this is where the horse contacted the roof. This is the front of the roof, near side windscreen area. No damage at all over this side, completely straight. And we get to there and we've just got a kink there in the structure, and there is some here as well. You compare it to the other side, that's flat. So we've got a good datum there, something to compare it to. That should be easy enough. Just put a bit of heat on that, get that back to where it should be. 10-minute job. Get the plastic out, so I'm going to burn it. Yeah, cool. I need to straighten this up as well. Damage that trying to get the roof skin off. Again, a couple of minute job that. I'll try and show you these rear bars, but the sun's shining, so I'm not sure we're going to get it. But yeah, it's a little bit of distortion there where the weight of the horse sank onto the skin. Again, a couple of minute job. That's going to come out really easy. Yeah, not concerned about that at all. Not concerned about that at all. Cool. Let's crack on. Right guys, okay, I've been outside and I've been drilling away at the new roof skin that's going to go on here. I don't think we're going to get that done. Well, we won't get that done today. That's absolute certainty. But we'll cut back to that in a bit. What I want to just say, I think is important. We've had a couple of people comment about this topic, so it's a good time to bring it up. In fact, it was brought up again this morning. People are saying, man, you need to brace the car. Well, actually you don't. On a 322 Range Rover, you can remove the skin without putting cross braces between doors, because the structure of the vehicle remains in place. All the structure is there. Yeah, we're not cutting into this whatsoever. No cuts were made into the structure. We have simply removed the skin and we're going to replace the skin. That's it. If you're doing this job and you are going to start cutting into any of these 4 areas, 5, not necessarily that one, but certainly the back one and the sides and the front, if you're going to start cutting into those, you are definitely going to have to start bracing up between the doors, because the shell is going to twist, it's going to sag in the middle. You cut through here, it's going to sag in the middle. It's simple. It's just got no rigidity. Okay, so just to clear that up, if you've got any comments about that, drop them below and we'll see what you've got to say. But let me assure you, there is definitely no door sag here whatsoever. it's the shell is yeah, stiff as a board. Guys, I also want to say, don't be under any illusions. This is a difficult job. You know, there are no videos, as far as I'm aware, on YouTube about this subject because people just don't do it. You know, garages, you know, this is £1,000 plus job all day long to replace this roof skin. There's that much time involved in doing it. So the garages are just not going to do them, not with these age vehicles. Yeah, you know, when you get to your classics, it's a much easier job, and I'm sure you will see videos out there about those, but these are just not out there. So don't be under any illusions. You know, these cars are written off for roof damage, the blink of an eye, because of the cost and the time involved. Okay. Right guys, that's it for today. It's been really hot outside doing that roof drilling away. I'll get this video on tonight or in the morning, and we'll definitely get another one out for you tomorrow as well. Right, take it easy. If you haven't done already, please don't forget to subscribe. All helps the channel. See you tomorrow guys.